Hello, open your browser, type Unity and open Unity. Let's get started choosing an individual plan, personal use, and download it. Then install it. Skip the wizard installation, select the latest version of Unity. In the future we can install another version. Select iOS, Android with SDK, for example delete documentation. Installation will take some time. I recommend using an SSD for work. And you can install some modules after installation. You can also install several versions of Unity. That's really cool. Now let's open Visual Studio Installer, add the Net Desktop Development and install it. Create a new project in Unity Hub. Unity asks to log and provide license information. Login, create project and indicate the type of license. Choose personal, less than $100,000. Now we can create a first project. The project has opened. We could do something in Unity, but I think it's better to get some coding practice first. So let's open Visual Studio. At the first start, it requires authorization. Create a project, C# console application. Visual Studio opens, the default black theme is set. There is an application template that writes Hello World in the console. We can run it. Now we have the necessary software for the next tutorials. Thanks for watching.